Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome! Tonight we've got some exciting ladder racing action with the Reckless Rhinos taking on OTR Grit, Ron and Rick's team. In the lineup tonight for Reckless, we've got Edge, Christian, Alex, Adam Rock, and myself. The course we're going to be racing on is Duchy Estates 6 laps with the power-ups being draft and feather. Well, the course tonight. Well, how to describe this? It is a crit course, I guess you could say. It's fairly short distance-wise each lap, but there's not a lot of recovery. And we'll see how it plays out tonight. There's some punchy sections, and Grit always brings a very competitive lineup to the start line. Tonight will be no different. We'll see how it plays out tonight. And yeah, hope you enjoy the action. Always stick around to the end for the race wrap-up. And ride on.
That's how I feel before every race, so.
That is cutting it close.
There's some big watt boys. Hey, Adam.
No.
So this goes down, and then there's the ramp. If anybody isn't familiar, this is going to go down, and then it's going to ramp up. So. Stop when we turn right up here. Get ready. I just don't want to be dropped, that's why I'm just on the front here. First, Edge is the smart one.
I never said I was smart.
Nor I.
I just haven't been riding all week, so.
So you're smart.
Just recovering from a cold.
Yeah. Again, smart.
Now this is the finish, right, Edge? Is it?
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
.300-meter sprint.
No thanks.
Slide up, though.
I'll take the 150 sprint for 10,000, Alex.
Sounds good. What is Brian's favorite?
Under 150 meters. Downhill.
Feather and draft for the arrows. I mean, power-ups.
So I guess save the feather for that 10%.
Disappearing off my screen.
Yeah, either the longer climb or
This one?
if you're trying to attack. There's one right at the bottom here. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to attack. I just.
So
I'm going to save it for the.
you're wondering why I
climb.
keep dropping off for that.
So we're gonna take a corner, guys, and there'll be a punch. You see it on the little bump on the profile there?
Yeah.
We'll see this 6 times, so.
Arrow helmets for the win.
Works.
That's double the air.
Moving to the front. We don't want us talking and we're all working hard. I have to race a lot smarter on this one. Right at him. Adam L.
What's that?
I need to race smart on this one.
Yeah, suck wheel.
Exactly. Grab a pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, Keller's a unit. Let him sit in the front.
You guys got this.
I'm gonna hammer this. Don't chase me.
Oh god. They're all going. You're on you. I can't.
Just sit behind there, guys.
Yeah. Come on, Christian.
No, I'm just dropping the last guy. I'm okay.
Oh shit. The rock.
Fuck that. Nice work, guys.
Nice. Notch book. A little lighter.
So there's.
Do you want to keep having someone hammer that first hill?
Up to you guys. Brian says no.
Brian says he doesn't have 30 seconds of velocity and power to catch back on. But actually, I played that smart. I let their two riders. The second one. I let their two riders pull me back up, so I didn't panic.
Yep.
I just stayed cool and let them drag me back up.
Are we going to go for it or no?
They weren't chasing. We still got 1, 2, 3. We still got lots of laps here, too, guys. Right? So
We got 3 more laps after this one, so technically 4.
Yeah.
Don't attack this one. See what they do.
Sure.
Then I say if we attack, we can attack the next lap.
You can probably super tuck this actually for a second.
You can. If you get up to speed.
Yeah.
Push a little. Just a little. Not a lot, just a little.
Yep. Yep.
Alright, good, good. Eric Yu was kind of dropping off the back a little bit.
Okay. How do you approach this one, Edge? Do you ramp up a bit, or what do you do? I can't time this one.
For what? This time?
Yes.
I just stay steady. I don't push it.
Okay, all right.
Stand up at the start. Stand up at the start just to get up. And then kind of settle in. Don't need to sprint it.
If you have a feather, do you use it at the red or wait to the top?
I waited.
Okay.
Everyone's using it at the red, so if you can hold on to them, you can get extra draft after.
Okay.
But you don't want to overexert yourself trying to stay with them with the feathers.
They push it.
Don't chase, don't chase. We're all good. We're all gonna come together. Gotta sing to the guys behind us.
Shit, they're pushing. Oh, fuck.
Come on, Brian.
I'm trying.
Keep working. Don't overdo it. Just keep working. Eased up. Easy, 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 easy. Don't pedal. Stop pedaling. Coast the whole way.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Good work.
Alec. Okay. Are you dragging him up, Alex, or are we breaking away?
I'm breaking away.
Okay, all right. All right.
Nice work, Alex.
Good work, Alex. Good job. Just, okay, easy, easy. We don't want to
It's
like
all
them up
momentum.
here.
I like Pelly.
All together.
Yeah, they must have sprinted on too. I was like 30 meters clear.
Yeah, we slowed up when we hit the hill.
Yeah, it's easy to catch up.
Oh, you're all back together. Okay, interesting.
Yep.
That's, oh, wow.
And you worked too hard for it.
I did. I was ridiculous. I thought, I saw 6 seconds. I didn't want to miss a split. And Edge is like, wow, Brian, you blew it again.
You didn't miss it, but you're right there.
It's another
You're good.
match. It's another match. Fuck, they're pushing again.
No, not. Right on them, guys. You're good.
Oh, fuck. Okay. I need to talk to the guy that picked this course.
I didn't like it.
Christian,
Yeah.
you like it?
Am I off the team now?
I'll think about it. No, I'm just kidding, Christian. That's awesome. That's awesome. You must be a punchy rider. Great job, Rock. Good job.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how many more big efforts there are left.
I know.
You only need
Begging
two.
one of their guys. Begging them, negotiating with them.
I know.
Yes. Saying, come on, let's just drop off the back. Smoke some cigarette.
He goes again. Well, he's off the gas. Keller.
You let everybody catch up.
You guys closed that 6 seconds so fast.
Yeah, right here. I just turned it on, and by the time I even got to the orange part of the hill, I was already with you then.
Yeah, great job.
Let him go. Let him go.
They're following.
Let our two guys go with their two.
Oh.
We follow them.
They got two more.
I got off the gas.
Keep going, Brian. Keep going. They're on you, Brian.
I know. Any damage on the back?
Not really.
How was that?
There easy. We stopped. Go, Keller. Go, Keller. Easy, easy.
What's happening at the back?
Oh, there's 3 of us and 2 of them, and we're all just bunched up. I'm waiting to push for that hill, that first hill. 2-second difference right now.
Attack here, Brian. Go, 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 go. Just up to him. Just up to him. Good, good, easy.
I'm running out of gas.
You're good.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
You got this, Brian.
I don't know, Edge. I don't know. I draft this time.
It's okay. Got him at the top. 1K. Group coming up behind us.
Are you sprinting on me?
I don't like that course. I didn't do very well.
Fuck. Thought I got him at the line. Nope. Good job, Edge.
Thanks.
Oh, fuck.
Nice work, Edge.
They were all bunched up.
Good work.
I think it's good.
I waited. Oh, I tried. I tried. They were all bunched second, or third, fourth, fifth. All right, race wrap-up time. First off, I want to thank Ron and Rick from OTR Grit for the race tonight. The course, well, not a lot of recovery. There are some downhill sections, but it always seems like you're trying to get back onto the group. And I burnt through quite a few matches tonight. Probably more matches than I probably should have been burning through, just trying to chase back onto the group when the group basically got back together kind of on its own on those downhill sections. But anyways, you learn from these situations. And yeah, the two punchy sections there, the one a little bit shorter than the other one. We tried different things tonight. We pushed a bit on those. We didn't really sit on our heels too much. We kept it paced pretty high for this race. Everybody did awesome tonight. Everybody really 110% effort tonight. Everybody really dug deep. And this course really is unrelenting. It's very deceiving. You think, oh, well, a little punch here, a little punch there, but no, it drags on and it's exhausting. So how did it all play out at the end there? Well, that last climb there, the pace really settled down just because they're trying to get their three riders back on. Two riders, three riders? Yeah, trying to get them back on there just before the finish line. And so I sort of sat on. I was in a great position. Edge was out front there. He was also at a great spot. He has an amazing sprint. He timed it perfectly. He beat the guy to the line. Awesome job, Edge, as always. So I had their 3 riders in front of me there. And what do? I'm in the perfect spot. I have my draft deployed. What do? I pull to the side of the road. Why do I do that? You tell me. That was the most ridiculous thing ever, because I should have just went right through them, and I didn't. So that was a huge mistake. And you saw how close it was at the line there. We're talking like we're just splitting hairs there at the line. But if I'd stayed behind them, used the draft, and went through them, things might have been a bit different. Maybe I would have got third. I don't know. Anyways, a little frustrated. But anyways, we learn from these things, and we move on, and we learn, and we move on. So no biggie. Everybody gave 110%, as they always do. Awesome race by everybody. Tough course, tough competition tonight. Yeah, we'll post up the final score. I don't believe we had enough points tonight. Post up the final score here, and yeah, we'll race them again. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the action. Rambling on as always. Hope you enjoyed the action. So as always, subscribe, like, comment, come back anytime, and ride on.